That's why you should have made me come pick you up. You don't have to be independent all the time. God, I miss you. You look so different. You look old.
You forget something that older than you.
Still past 2 digits, daddy. My abuelo!
I'm Nita. Hi, baby. You okay?
I was waiting all day for you to come. I have something to show you.
Hey, why you have to show me, Grandpa? Show me now. A lot of catching up for doing now. Oh God, you get so big and so pretty. Well, look who it is, Miss Rosa. How you doing?
Anthony, look at you, so handsome, so beautiful.
You talk about me, Miss Rosa? Look how you sweat. May I say I want a 30-year-old woman there in front of me?
Oh, stop it, Anthony. You're so sweet. I reach your favorite, Pollo Casado.
Hey, yo, I'm love you, you know. Yo, I go on Miguel.